When it comes to eating for health and wellness, we often focus on plants and herbs our bodies need for good reason. After all, vegetables, fruits, and other plant-based foods help us get the nutrients and fiber we need to stay healthy. Did you know that the spices we add to our food to make it taste better also has healing properties? In this video, we will discover the best spices for healing. But before we do, be sure to subscribe so that you'll never miss another informative video. Here we go. Number 1. Black pepper. Chances are you have a little container of ground black pepper in your kitchen right now. You may even have a grinder to grind out your peppercorns. If this is the case, you are already on your way to enjoying the health benefits of black pepper, the king of spices, packed full of nutrients like vitamin C and K and magnesium. Black pepper is an incredibly effective antibiotic. To treat tonsillitis, mix up a pinch of black pepper, a bit of lemon juice, and a dash of salt into warm water and drink it down. This will help with any pain associated with throat inflammation. Number 2. Cardamom. These bumpy little pods house the fragrant cardamom seeds that give chai tea and sweet curries their signature flavor. Known as the queen of spices, cardamom is filled with manganese and other minerals. With so much nutrition crammed into such a small package, cardamom helps to fight against heart disease, improve circulation, and may cure urinary tract infections, even better than cranberry juice. Number 3. Cumin. A popular spice in many Indian and Mexican dishes, this easily recognizable spice has a rich, nutty flavor that enhances stews and sauces. While the spice is most often found in its ground powder form, whole seeds can be found and are delicious when lightly toasted. They are full of fiber, so eating toasted seeds as a snack will help gastrointestinal activity and may act as a laxative. If you suffer from constipation, a spoonful of cumin powder mixed with honey and taken on an empty stomach will offer some relief. The natural melatonin present in cumin will help you find a more restful night. Number 4. Turmeric. One of the primary spices used in Indian cooking, turmeric lends that lovely yellow hue to curries and dal. But that color means more than just a lovely dish. The presence of curcumin means you not only have a sunny dish, but also a powerful antioxidant. As such, turmeric may help to reduce inflammation and relieve pain from arthritis. Additionally, curcumin is especially potent against autoimmune diseases. We would love to hear from you. If you have any little-known natural remedy to share, please leave them in the comments below. If you think this video helps, give us a thumbs up. If you subscribe and activate the notification bell, we will always let you know when there is another helpful video that comes out. Remember, stay healthy, stay happy.